Good morning, student. I hope you all are safe and sound. Today I am sending my next video of chapter 3 data handling exercise 3.3. Question number 1. Use the bar graph to answer the following question. So this is the bar graph. Pet owned by a student of class 7th. On the horizontal line we take pet animal, on the vertical line we take number of students. So let us read the bar graph first. Eight number of student dogs on eight number of student on dogs, and 10 on cats, and 2 on rabbits, 5 on hamster, and other on 3 students on other. Now let us read the question first. Which is the most popular pet? Cat has the biggest bar graph, so cat is the most popular pet. B part, how many students have dog as a pet? So number of students who have dog, that is 8. So 8 students have dog as a pet. Question number 2 and 3 is for your homework. Now let's move on question number 4. The performance of a student in first term and second term is given. Draw a double bar graph choosing appropriate scale and answer the following. Now, these are the questions that we'll do later. First, we will draw the double bar graph. So, first term marks of English 67 and second term 70. So, this is the bar graph. On the horizontal line we take subject, and on the vertical line we take marks 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and till 100. Now, this green bar graph represent first term and this pink bar graph represent second term. So English marks first term we got 67. So 67 green bar graph is till 67 and pink is till 70. So this is the bar graph of English, that is called double bar graph. Now we give a space for the next subject. Next subject is Hindi. First term 72 and second term 65. So first term green we will make as till 72 and pink as 65. So this is the bar graph of Hindi. Now again we give a space. Now we will make the bar graph of maths. So maths marks are 88 and 95. So green till 88 and pink is 90. This, and this is the bar graph of maths. Again we'll give a space. Now next is science 81 and 85. So green represent 81 and pink represent 85 for science. Again we give a space. Next subject is SST 73 and 75. So green represents 73 and pink represents 75. So this is called double bar graph. You will draw this bar graph on the graph paper. Now the time is for question answers. In which subject has the child improved his performance the most? So for this we need the difference of these subjects कि कितने कितने मार्क्स का उसमें डिफरेंस है. So let us find out the difference. In English, first term 70 and second term 67. So 70 minus 67, that is 3. Hindi 65 minus 72. Now in Hindi he got less marks in second term. So 65 minus 72 is minus 7. Maths 95 minus 88. So maths में he got 7 marks improvement. Science 85 minus 81, that is 4. SST 75 minus 73, that is 2. Now first question is, in which subject has the child improved his performance the most? So most is in the maths. So he has most improved in maths subject, because in maths the difference is highest 7. For second question, in SST subject his improvement is less. सबसे less SST में है, that is 2. Difference is 2. third, yes, in Hindi his performance has gone down because that is in term of -7. So that's why in Hindi his performance goes down. Next exercise is 3.4, but before starting that exercise 3.4, we need to learn about probability. Now probability means possibility of anything or chance to be happen. For example, today is no chance of raining, so that is a chance, or that is our guess, so that is called probability. Second example is, today there is a chance that India will win the World Cup. So again, this is the example of probability. Probability means chance or possibility. So this is exercise 3.4, question number 1. Tell whether the following is certain to be happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. So question number 1 में you have to tell certain to happen, impossible or can happen but not certain. Okay, so first is, you are older than yesterday. It is certain to happen because हम हर बार अगले दिन क्या होते जाएंगे, older होते जाएंगे. So it is a certain to happen. Second is, a tossed coin will land heads up. If you toss a coin तो head आ जाए. It can happen but not certain. हो सकता है but हर बार नहीं. ठीक है. So third is, a dice when tossed shall land up with 8 on the top. If you toss the dice तो 8 आ जाए. So it is impossible because dice में you have only 6 till 6 number, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 8 is impossible. Next, the next traffic light seem to be green. आप जा रहे हो और आपको अगली ट्रैफिक लाइट ग्रीन मिल जाए. It can happen but not certain. Next, tomorrow will be a cloudy day. It can happen but not certain. So these are the possibilities of probability. Now question number 2. There are 6 marbles in a box with number from 1 to 6 marked on each of them. So first question is, what is the probability of drawing a marble with a number 2? आपने बॉक्स में नंबर डाले 1 to 6. सो 2 की प्रोबेबिलिटी कितनी है? सो 2 जो आपने डाला वो नंबर कितनी बार डाला? ओनली 1 टाइम. एंड टोटल नंबर्स आर 6. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी of drawing one marble, that is 2, is 1 upon 6. 1 is for 2 कि 2 नंबर एक ही बार लिखा है हमने, and 6 is the total maximum marbles is there, so 1 upon 6 is the answer. Second, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? Again 5 भी आपने एक ही बार एक उसमें लिखा है, so probability of 5 is also 1 upon 6. Next is question number 3. A coin is flipped to decide which team start the game, and what is the probability that your team will start? So if एक कॉइन टॉस हुआ है तो उसमें 2 ही आउटकम्स हो सकते हैं, या हेड आए या टेल आए. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग हेड और टेल इज इक्वली 1 upon 2 बिकॉज हेड भी 1 टाइम है और टेल भी 1 टाइम है, बट टोटल साइड्स कितनी है? 2. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी इज 1 upon 2. थैंक यू.